Algorand cost fundamentally equivalent to $0.1662 a coin, which truly is genuinely critical. The present exchange cost range, 0.1645-0.1669 in a truly significant way. A earlier day close, 0.1650, which certainly is genuinely huge. The change really was plus 0.0012, plus 0.73%, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Converse rate, USD to ALGO in a kind of significant manner. Algorand value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month in a very enormous manner. Algorand cost forecast on Monday, May 22, cost $0.16, sort of most extreme 0.17, kind of least 0.15 in an essentially significant manner. Algorand estimate on Tuesday, May 23, cost $0.16, in every practical sense, greatest 0.17, all things considered, least 0.15, which truly is genuinely critical. Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday, May 24, cost $0.16, in every way that really matters, most extreme 0.17, especially least 0.15 in an unobtrusive way. Algorand figure on Thursday, May 25, cost $0.16, greatest 0.17, least 0.15 in an extremely significant way. In multi-week Algorand cost expectation on Friday, May 26, cost $0.16, all things considered, most extreme 0.17, sort of least 0.15, which sort of is very critical. Algorand gauge on Monday, May 29, cost $0.16, by and large most extreme 0.17, especially least 0.15. Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday, May 30, cost $0.16, truly most extreme 0.17, sort of least 0.15, or so they in every practical sense thought. Algorand figure on Wednesday, May 31, cost $0.15, kind of greatest 0.16, by and large least 0.14, or so they thought. Algorand cost expectation on Thursday, June 1, cost $0.15, in every practical sense, greatest 0.16, extremely least 0.14 in a huge way. In about 14 days Algorand figure on Friday, June 2, cost $0.15, especially greatest 0.16, extremely least 0.14, in every way that really matters, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Algorand cost expectation on Monday, June 5, cost $0.14, especially greatest 0.15, in every way that really matters, least 0.13, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Algorand gauge on Tuesday, June 6, cost $0.14, truly most extreme 0.15, fundamentally least 0.13, which basically is very huge. Algorand cost forecast on Wednesday, June 7, cost $0.14, extremely greatest 0.15, beautiful least 0.13, or so they fundamentally thought. Algorand gauge on Thursday, June 8, cost $0.14, kind of most extreme 0.15, least 0.13, or so they explicitly thought. In 3 weeks Algorand cost expectation on Friday, June 9, cost $0.14, in every way that really matters, greatest 0.15, beautiful least 0.13, which generally is very critical. Algorand estimate on Monday, June 12, cost $0.14, truly most extreme 0.15, least 0.13, which basically is genuinely huge. Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday, June 13, cost $0.14, kind of most extreme 0.15, kind of least 0.13 in a sort of significant manner. Algorand figure on Wednesday, June 14, cost $0.14, in every practical sense, greatest 0.15, genuinely least 0.13 in an especially large way. Algorand cost expectation on Thursday, June 15, cost $0.14, especially greatest 0.15, sort of least 0.13, in every way that really matters, in spite of mainstream thinking. In about a month Algorand gauge on Friday, June 16, cost $0.14, truly greatest 0.15, truly least 0.13 in an unpretentious way. Algorand cost expectation on Monday, June 19, cost $0.14, for the most part greatest 0.15, truly least 0.13. Pretty further appearance how in about a month Algorand estimate on Friday, June 16, cost $0.14, essentially greatest 0.15, least 0.13, or so they sort of thought. Algorand gauge on Tuesday, June 20, cost $0.14, sort of most extreme 0.15, least 0.13, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. USD to ALGO swapping scale truly equivalent to 6.0168 coins per $1, which for the most part is very critical. Today, S reach 5.9916-6.0790, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. The past day, S nearby 6.0606, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. Change for now 0.0438, 0.72%, showing how the change really was plus 0.0012, plus 0.73% in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Algorand estimate on Monday, May 22, cost 6.250 coins. All things considered, most extreme 6.667, exceptionally least 5.882, showing how Algorand figure on Monday, May 29, cost $0.16, genuinely greatest 0.17, lovely least 0.15, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. USD to ALGO expectation on Tuesday, May 23, cost 6.250 coins, especially greatest 6.667, by and large least 5.882, which especially is very critical. Dollar to Algorand figure on Wednesday, May 24, cost 6.250 coins, especially greatest 6.667, sort of least 5.882 in a sort of significant manner. USD to ALGO expectation on Thursday, May 25, cost 6.250 coins, truly most extreme 6.667, in every practical sense, least 5.882 in a sort of significant way. In multi-week dollar to Algorand conjecture on Friday, May 26, cost 6.250 coins, essentially most extreme 6.667, sort of least 5.882, which truly is genuinely huge. USD to ALGO expectation on Monday, May 29, cost 6.250 coins, truly most extreme 6.667, by and large least 5.882 in an every practical sense, huge way. Dollar to Algorand conjecture on Tuesday, May 30, cost 6.250 coins, certainly greatest 6.667, truly least 5.882 in a quite large way. USD to ALGO forecast on Wednesday, May 31, cost 6.667 coins, kind of most extreme 7.143, truly least 6.250 in a truly significant way. Dollar to Algorand conjecture on Thursday, June 1, cost 6.667 coins, extremely greatest 7.143, exceptionally least 6.250, or so they especially thought. In about 14 days USD to ALGO expectation on Friday, June 2, cost 6.667 coins, by and large greatest 7.143, especially least 6.250, showing that Algorand cost in every practical sense, equivalent to $0.1662 a coin in a for the most part huge manner. Dollar to Algorand gauge on Monday, June 5, cost 7.143 coins, most extreme 7.692, truly least 6.667. USD to ALGO expectation on Tuesday, June 6, cost 7.143 coins, most extreme 7.692, certainly least 6.667, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Dollar